Despojado.
Section Malar. Mary Eileen Despojado. Okay, come up on stage. Third winner.
Section Recto, Arlene Marquez.
Mamahalin daw po yan. From Section Recto, sabi ni Miss Evelyn, Miss Marquez, Miss Marilyn Marquez from Section Recto. This one naman, he or she forgot to indicate her name, but the raffle stub number is number 124. Ticket holder of raffle ticket 124. Hello, Mac. Okay, and then this one, ticket holder of raffle stub number 471. Okay, 471 and 124. And the last?
Antonio Luna, A.E. Guillermo.
Section Antonio Luna, Antonio Lena? Luna. No, Guillermo. Okay, from Antonio Luna. Okay, then the winner is Mr. or Miss Guillermo. Please come up on stage. Congratulations, sir. Thank you, Mr. Hyman. Congratulations. Picture taking daw po. Okay, while they're having their picture taking, Mr. Evelyn, why don't you introduce the next? There is a video presentation on the, video greetings from our classmates from abroad. Okay, so, yes, we miss them physically, but their spirits are with us. Through this video, they have special words to tell us. Okay, so, Mr. Urian, let's watch this video from our classmate, Joy. Hello, if you see Minda sa reunion, kiss her for me and tell her happy birthday. I don't have a way to tell her that, so if you can please, salamat po. So Minda, happy birthday.
O lahat po ng batch 80, kikis kay Minda. Nasaan po si Minda?
That's from our classmate, Miss Lilia Buban.
From Mr. Joseph Makatuno to all my batchmates and classmates, have fun and safe reunion to all. Mabuhay kayong lahat. Section, from section? Magsaysay.
Okay, our third is from Roberto Francisco. Ako din, pre. Dot. Okay. Palakpakan natin yung mga classmates natin from the different parts of the world. Another video presentation so that you will witness all the efforts exerted by the officers. Hindi pa pala. But this is a live greeting, recorded greeting from Mr. Manny Eusebio, one of our classmates.
From section
Natatandaan niyo pa, natutuwa ako dahil nakaabot tayo sa 31 years na ba yan, reunion. Although wala ako dyan, naiingit ako sa inyo. Sana nandiyan ako. Kung nag-iisip kayo kung ano nangyari sa akin, ako'y nag-enjoy dito sa Middle East. Nagtuturo ako ng mathematics and statistics sa isang college. Mag-enjoy kayo ngayong gabi kasi bihira lang yan. At hopefully, next reunion, maka-join ako sa inyo. Again, congratulations to us, all of us, lalong-lalo na sa inyo, sa ating reunion. Maraming salamat po.
Organizing this grand reunion event which is highly successful. Okay, while music please for this particular portion.
Malaysoy. Diyan po nabuo yung ating batch meeting.
Yan po yung mga masisipag na nag-asikaso at tumulong sa ikatatagumpay ng ating reunion. Okay, just to show our undivided loyalty to our alma mater,
po natin si Karen. Karamihan po ng shots niyan. Si Karen ang kumuha.
palakpakan
Thank you, Karen, wherever you are.
Great job, Karen.
Okay, yan po yung sa bahay ni Chairman. Siyempre, pagkatapos ng meeting, kain, kodakan. Section Abad Santos, hinay-hinay lang po hanggang alas 4 tayo na umaga. Most of the shots taken po dun sa room na yun, sa first floor.